Every year, on the 15th of August, I pause to reflect on what it truly means to be free. For Indians, this date isn't just a mark on the calendar, it's the heartbeat of a nation born from the dreams, struggles, and sacrifices of millions. Let me take you back to 1947. After nearly 2 centuries under British colonial rule, India finally saw the dawn of freedom at midnight on August 14th, sliding into the 15th. Imagine that moment, the country holding its breath, listening as Jawaharlal Nehru delivered his iconic Tryst with Destiny speech. His words still echo today. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. It wasn't just a transfer of power, it was the birth of hope, and a call to build a just, democratic, and prosperous nation. But freedom wasn't handed to us. It was fought for, relentlessly, courageously. For decades, movements like non-cooperation, civil disobedience, and the Quit India uprising of 1942 united people from every corner of the land. Mahatma Gandhi's call, "Do or die," was more than a slogan. It was a spark that ignited an entire country to stand up, unarmed but unbroken, demanding the right to determine its own destiny. And in every village, every city, ordinary people, farmers, teachers, students, risked everything for a dream they might never see realized. That's why the 15th of August is more than a holiday. It's a living reminder of the price of freedom and the responsibility that comes with it. Each year, the Prime Minister hoists the tricolour at the Red Fort, a ritual as old as our independence itself. The national anthem rises, and so do memories of those who gave their all so that we could stand here, proud and free. But this day isn't just about looking back. It's a promise, a pledge that we renew every year. Independence was never meant to be the finish line, but the beginning of a journey. Our founders dreamed of a nation where every citizen would enjoy dignity, justice, and opportunity. They challenged us to end poverty, ignorance, and disease, and to build a society where unity thrives in diversity. So, as I celebrate with my family and watch the flag flutter in the August sky, I ask myself, how am I honoring their legacy? Am I doing my part to protect our democracy, to speak up for what's right, to help those who need it most? Because the story of the 15th of August isn't finished. It lives on in each of us, in the dreams we dare to chase, and in the India we choose to build together. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.